What to do if the washing machine drum does not spin? One of the main causes of the washing machine drum blockage is the filter being too full or dirty. Let's proceed to disassemble and clean it. In almost all washing machines, the filter is located in the lower part inside a small door. Let's open the door here and proceed to unscrew the filter. Pay close attention at this stage because while you unscrew, some water comes out. In the case of the video, while I unscrew, very little comes out. This makes me think that there is a large obstruction inside the channel that is blocking everything. In fact, by inserting a screwdriver inside the channel we can move the obstruction, and as you can see, the water starts to pass. Let's now proceed with the complete removal of the obstruction. The obstruction was caused by a very simple coin that had completely blocked the channel, blocking the washing machine. Let's reposition the filter and close the door. Run a quick wash to see if the problem has been solved.